Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this installation video, we will guide you through the process of successfully installing front air struts for a Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205 without 4Matic, including AMG. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle and removing the applicable front wheel. Deflate the vehicle air suspension system following the manufacturer's specifications. Then remove the engine bay trim panel from the applicable side. Now, disconnect the air line from the strut and disconnect and unroot the wiring harness from the strut's solenoid. Unroute the brake line from the bracket on the strut. Then remove the nut and bolt from the strut's lower mount. The final removal steps is to remove the 3 nuts from the strut's upper mount, pull down on the wheel hub and remove the strut. Start the installation by removing the brake line and wire harness brackets from the OEM strut. Install the brackets onto the new strut. Now remove the shipping plug from the air valve and install the new VOSS fitting included with the strut. Tighten the fitting to 2 Nm. Continue by installing the new air strut into the vehicle and install the lower mount nut and bolt. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Install the 3 nuts from the strut's upper mount and route the brake line bracket on the strut. Route the wiring harness and connect to the strut solenoid. The final installation steps are to remove the shipping pin from the VOSS fitting and installing the airline. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Now, finish the installation by inflating the vehicle air suspension to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, reinstalling the applicable front wheel and lower the vehicle, and you have completed the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air strut with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.